welcome back to Oldtimer Garage. Today I'm going to see a car that I think most of you will be interested in, so I thought I'd try and film it. Basically a few weeks ago I went to a big consignment place with only classic cars in there to do an inspection on a car that a customer wanted to buy. And among the 200 plus cars that they have in there was a 1969 Citroen 2cv. So I asked about it, of course, and it turns out that this 2cv is the car that was used in one of the Austin Powers movies back in the, I think, late 90s or something like that. If I remember well, the movie was called The Spy Who Shagged Me or something like that. So I asked a little bit about the car and everything, and it turns out that they're selling it for the owner, but the car doesn't run. They checked everything and they said the fuel pump is gone. So, well, I just offered them to replace the fuel pump since they don't have any shop over there. They just take the cars under consignments and try and sell them. And actually they talked to the owner and the owner was okay with that, so I ordered a new fuel pump, and now I'm on my way to replace it. So I don't know if they're gonna let me film in there, but I'll try and ask, and if I can't film, I'll take at least a couple of pictures to show you the car I'm gonna work on. It's funny because well, that's the second 2cv I'm gonna work on in 2 days. Someone else brought me 2cv yesterday at the shop, so I've been working on that as well. I've been filming a little bit of what I've been doing on this car, and I don't know which one of the two will go first, so you'll have to wait and see this. So yeah, in about 10 minutes I should be there, and I'll show you the car when I get there. Alright, so here it is. That's the 2cv I was telling you about. And the guy just told me that despite what they told me, they don't really know what the problem is. This car is definitely not original. There's a bunch of things that are not supposed to be on a 69 2cv, but I mean, it's still 2cv in the US and it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna start working on it and see what I can do with it. See if I can restart it. Let's start it with that. There you go. Alright. So fuel pump is here. Oh man, that's dry. Maybe I'll replace that too. For the rest, and there's a little bit of juice in the battery. Alright, let's get to it. No, that's the heater. That's the starter. The choke is on the other side, I think. I can do it from here if you want. Maybe. I've got jump pack in my truck.
Right here.
In 6 volts.
Oh, it's not a 6 volts, yeah.
I can do it from here if you want.
Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead. Pumping gas.
What's that?
It's pumping gas now, so it should.
I'm not giving it any gas, just so you know.
Yeah. How long have you had this car here for?
About 6 months.
Oh, okay. These are really fun to drive.
It's hilarious.
Oh yeah.
It's absolutely hilarious. I've never driven anything like it. I drove this one.
I've had 10 or 12 of those.
It's, you know, the people that love them absolutely love them.
Uh-huh, exactly. Can you crank it?
Yep, ready?
Yeah. Okay. Stop it. Did you put the ignition on? At the key?
There it is. No.
Crank it. Okay, still no spark. Again, turn it on and crank it. Good. Put it on that side too.
Turn it off.
Yeah.